Hi, this is Ananya. Welcome to Newsbeat's latest updates. Petrol diesel prices fall today after more states announced to cut VAT. Know the fuel rates. Petrol diesel price on November 5, 2021. Petrol price in Delhi stands at 103 rupees 97 paisa, while petrol price in Mumbai is at 109 rupees 98 paisa. Petrol and diesel prices on Friday, November 5, saw a sharp decline as more states had announced VAT cuts. Several states joined the center in cutting down the fuel rates, which were at shocking highs in the recent past. Petrol diesel price saw their lifetime high before the center and the states announced excise cuts. On the eve of Diwali, that is on Wednesday evening, the central government announced a cut in excise duty on petrol by 5 rupees per litre and diesel by 10 rupees per litre. The additional step by states also helped reduce the petrol and diesel rates, which witnessed relentless hikes over the recent months. With this price reduction, petrol was priced at 103 rupees 97 paisa in the national capital of Delhi. On the other hand, 1 litre of diesel here cost 86 rupees 67 paisa after the excise cut. Petrol price in Mumbai was cut to 109 rupees 98 paisa per litre. Diesel price in the financial capital stood at 94 rupees 14 paisa for 1 litre after the price cut. In West Bengal capital Kolkata, price of 1 litre petrol on Friday stood at rupees 104 and 67 paisa. On the other hand, the price of 1 litre of diesel was fixed at 89 rupees 79 paisa in the eastern metropolitan city. In Chennai, petrol price was reduced to 101 rupees 40 paisa for 1 litre, while the price of that amount of diesel stood at 91 rupees 43 paisa. Petrol price in Bhopal was at 107 rupees 23 paisa, while diesel price in the Madhya Pradesh city was at 90 rupees 87 paisa. The excise duty cuts on diesel and petrol will cost 45,000 crore and lead to a 0.3 percentage point widening on the centre's fiscal deficit, a foreign brokerage said on Thursday, as per a report by news agency PTI. As per the economist of Japanese brokerage house Nomura, costs due to the government's move on entire fiscal will come at rupees 1 lakh crore or 0.45% of GDP. Wednesday's excise cut in fuel rates were the highest ever such reduction in history. However, according to the economist, the move only partly reverses the hike in duties in 2020 by rupees 13 per litre for petrol and 16 rupees per litre on diesel, following a steep drop in oil prices, and comes on the heels of higher crude prices pushing retail prices to records high. Government of India has taken a significant decision of reducing central excise duty on petrol and diesel by rupees 5 and rupees 10 respectively from tomorrow. Prices of petrol and diesel will thus come down accordingly, the finance ministry had said in a statement on Wednesday. The government of India has made efforts to ensure that there is no energy shortage in the country and that commodities such as petrol and diesel are available adequately to meet our requirements, it added. Following the prices of diesel and petrol across some cities in the country are near. Mumbai. Petrol 109 rupees 98 paisa per litre, diesel 94 rupees 14 paisa per litre. Delhi. 103 rupees 97 paisa per litre petrol, 86 rupees 67 paisa per litre diesel. Chennai, 101 rupees and 40 paisa per litre petrol and diesel is 91 rupees and 43 paisa per litre. In Kolkata, petrol is 104 rupees 67 paisa per litre and diesel is 89 rupees 79 paisa per litre. In Bhopal, petrol is 107 rupees 23 paisa per litre and diesel is 90 rupees 87 paisa per litre. In Hyderabad, petrol is 108 rupees 20 paisa per litre and diesel is 94 rupees 62 paisa per litre. In Bengaluru, petrol is 100 rupees and 58 paisa per litre and diesel is 85 rupees 1 paisa per litre. In Chandigarh, petrol is 100 rupees and 12 paisa per litre and diesel 86 rupees 46 paisa per litre. Guwahati, the cost is 94 rupees and 58 paisa per litre petrol and 81 rupees 29 paisa per litre diesel. Lucknow, petrol is 95 rupees 28 paisa per litre and diesel is 86 rupees and 80 paisa. In Gandhinagar, petrol is 95 rupees 35 paisa per litre and diesel is 89 rupees and 33 paisa per litre. Thiruvananthapuram, petrol is 106 rupees 36 paisa per liter and diesel is 93 rupees and 47 paisa per liter. Thank you for watching the video. Stay tuned and please subscribe our channel for such more latest updates.